What do you think, Tweety? What do you think, huh? You like it? We're gonna have to fix that hole. You like it? Is it doable? Is it good? I think it's a deal. I think she likes it. Welcome back, my Florida Gardening Escape channel. I'm happy to have you guys here. So today we are going to do the walkthrough of our new transitional pen and how we put this all together. So come along with me as we do a full review tour of our new transitional pen. So as you guys can see, it isn't a very big one, as we only have Tweety in there. But as you guys can see, we used the rest of the chicken wire from our chicken run, and then the rest was chicken wire we already had in the yard. So I went ahead and used it, zip tied everything together. As you guys can see, there's zip ties going all the downside. I did add an additional barrier of the chicken wire here, and it is zip tied all the way down the sides. It was a little bit difficult to do it with the muscadine here, but I maneuvered it, put it in between each grain and things like that. Even this guy was a little bit of a pain, but we got him in there. As you guys can see, it's a lot of zip ties. Some of the areas we just wrapped the fence around the other fence to hold it in there. As you can see, it's wrapped multiple times. We kind of did this all around it, and zip tied where we couldn't do the tied around with the fence itself. So we did get it all tied around. I'm not too concerned with the blackberry being here. She really can't get to it just due to this, but I don't see her messing with it just due to she's got several other greenery in there to pluck around and mess with. It didn't take us long, but let's go ahead and go inside and take a look. The Tweety. This is Tweety, everybody. She is an Americana. She's a little over 2 months old now, I think. But she's been growing good. She's a little skittish at times, but she does well. She'll flock to me. She looks at me as mama. That's why you see her right here at me pretty much. But we got her a little water tray over here. Until she gets bigger, she'll go over to the chicken run that's over there. And she's got a little bowl of food inside. This is an old dog crate that my dog does not use anymore, so I decided to use it for her little coop house. We'll eventually build a cover for it or put a piece of plastic over this so that way she won't get wet if it ever rains. We did go through with putting hay, one layer of hay pretty much filled this whole pen up. You gonna get in there, Tweety? No, not yet. She was already in there checking it out. But that is a drawer from our old fridge that no longer works. So I just brought the drawer and brought it to in here for her to use as a little nest box. If it comes time to that. So that way she's got somewhere to lay or stand on top of. She can even get on top of here if she really wants to, because there's that big old gap between the top of this and the roof itself. So it all did come together pretty well. It only took about, I don't know, maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours to get this all done. We did add the barrier cage, not barrier cage, but we did add the extra barrier of the chicken wire. As you can see here, it's an extra layer here of fencing, so that way no critters can really get their heads through the holes or anything, or even her get out. So she's definitely protected in here. She so far appears to be loving it. She's outside, she's in her own little space. It's a lot bigger for her. And then over time, once she gets bigger and she's big enough, we'll go put her with the rest of the chickens. But that probably won't come for a later date, as they are much older than she is. The other chickens, they're doing great. They're loving the new area. They know when food's coming, especially in the morning times. And they have plenty of water too. We turned their home into we turned their coop from a shed to a coop house. So they have that over there. We did get it finished. I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys over there so that way you guys can see the new look of it as well. So let's go check it out. So garden's been doing pretty well. I just want to really quick show you guys the garden area so that way you can see the changes we're doing to it as well. I have things in my hair, but let's go ahead and check it out. As you guys can see, we got a lot more mulch added in. We tilled everything, got everything pulled up, got all the nasty weeds out of there. As you can see, we still got more mulch to add to the other side. The nursery, as you can tell, is definitely filled up with plants. We do plan on using this old bed frame for a cantaloupe trellis. That's in the works already. Let's make our way over here. As you guys can see, the new chicken coop, we finally got it finished up. We got this done. We got the fence all done. They even have their little things they can sit on. We got it all pretty much covered from the back end to the front end. As you guys can see, they will follow me around the whole outside. We did go ahead and add an automatic door in as well, so that way they have a way to go in and out from morning to night. It's still a process to learn because for some odd reason sometimes it will close automatically before it's time. So we're still trying to figure that out as well. But they do have this additional tarp area, so that way an additional area can stay dry. Let's go inside. Excuse me, guys. Let me through. Oh, not so fast. They will try and escape out of the pen, which they try so hard. I give them A for effort. We did add this in here, a little roost spot for them. Inside the shed, we added hay, and we have the nest boxes up here, a nest box down there, a nest box down here, and then another nest box up here. We do store the hay in here with them, so that way if it's ever needed, we can get it out and not have any problems getting it out. They will get on top of the hay at times as well. But that is going to be their shed. We did decide to hang their water bowl and their feeder as well. They love the step stool so much, I haven't even bothered taking it out. That's just going to be another little spot they can roost on. But as you guys can see, they're definitely loving it out here. They got the full roam to range. The pen is definitely big. It's nice. They got a nice spot they can go to at night and sleep. But yeah, that's going to be the chicken pen and our transitional pen. I mean, it's a work well done. Chickens love it. I love it. They're happy. I'm happy. We're all happy. But that's going to be it, guys. So until next time, I think next video we'll be doing some transplanting from the nursery area over there to the big garden area and get that in. And not to worry, we're going to take y'all along for the cantaloupe build that we're going to do as well. That'll probably take place either the next day or the following day, whichever day I decide to do, really. But it'll be a work in progress, and that'll get done as well. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for hanging with me. Thanks for joining me on this tour of our transitional pen and our chicken coop house. Oh, and really quick, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe down below. And don't forget to hit that bell so that way you don't miss out on our new videos. But you guys stay safe, stay growing, and stay amazing. Until next time, guys. Deuces.